So guys, this is the jacuzzi in ITC Grand Chola. Just wanna have a look at. So, the 45 feet headset and side door turned off. And just adjacent to this, you have a steam bath. And if you push it around, you wanna see how much steam is coming out of this place. I'm gonna close it back, and then you have the relaxing place here where you can relax, and this is a place to just keep your mobile phones. I don't know what is this. Simply promotional items. Yeah. Some water bottles here, and this is a massage. Basically, where you're gonna wash your feet. Basically, the foot massage. Yeah. And I'll just show you the locker area where this is a sauna bath here. So if I open this, a lot of heat, is a dry sauna. And here we have a chill shower, which is this place. And then you have again the towels, you have showers from here, and this is a lovely dressing area here. And I just kept my stuff here in the locker number 18. So you can see. So I kept my locker here, number 18. This is how the place looks.